love this trail. I think this is her favorite.
This is definitely this horse's favorite.
It's funny that she doesn't like Bass Lake, but she likes driving.
Yeah, I know.
Very strange.
She's a strange horse. What can I say?
I wonder if it's the ducks and geese.
I don't know. We get geese going across us on New River, and she doesn't pay any attention to them. So who knows?
Iris looked over and said, do you want to look? She wants to go. The other